Guys, I am Pranchu Murarka and I am 11 years old. So guys, if you are watching this video, smash the like button and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe. Iconic Dark.
Okay, so hey guys, I'm Sayan Gupta and I'm 11 years old. I'm the founder of tennisforthekids.com. And if you like this video, don't forget to smash this like button and share this video with as many people as you can. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, do it. And press the notification bell too so that you don't miss any of my videos. So let's get started. So I'll just open the app. So this is our app, and what basically biohacking is. So basically biohacking, also known as do-it-yourself biology, is an extremely broad and amorphous term that can cover a huge range of activities, from performing science experiments on yeast or other organisms to tracking your own sleep and diet.
So, in this video, we are explaining biohacking. What basically biohacking means and what is it also known as, and the term young blood transfusion. The things we can relate biohacking to: how can you use hacks, and how can we do self improvement on steroids.
Okay, so let's see the video that we have imported. Oh, 1 second. Just not starting. Just a second.
Hey guys, I'm Sayan Gupta. And I am Pranchu Murarka. We both are from class 6, Springdale School, Dholakua. And today we are going to talk about biohacking. So let's get started. So even if you haven't heard the term biohacking before, you have probably encountered some versions of it. Maybe you have seen Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey extolling the benefits of fasting intermittently and drinking salt juice each morning. Maybe you have read about the former NASA employee Josiah Zainar injecting himself with DNA using the gene editing technology CRISPR. Maybe you have heard of Bay Area folks engaging in dopamine fasting. So, basically, biohacking, also known as do it yourself biology, is an extremely broad and amorphous term that can cover a huge range of activities, from performing science experiments on yeast or other organisms to track your own sleep and diet to change your own biology by pumping a younger person's blood into your veins in the hope that it will fight aging. Yes, that is a real thing, and it's called a young blood transfusion. So, on a really basic level, biohacking comes down to something we can all relate to: the desire to feel better and to see just how far we can push the human body. That desire comes in a range of flavors, though. Some people just want to not be sick anymore. Others want to be as smart and strong as they possibly can. An even more ambitious crowd wants to be as smart and strong as possible for as long as possible. In other words, they want to radically extend their lifespans. So, these goals have a way of escalating once you have determined or think you have determined that there are concrete hacks you can use by yourself right now to go from sick to healthy or healthy to enhanced. You start to think, well, why stop here?
Why not shoot for a peak performance? Why not try to live forever? What starts as a simple wish to be free from pain and can snowball into self improvement on steroids.
So this was all about biohacking.
So stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.
Okay, so this was the video, and now let's come to the main part of the app. Find how fast you can recover from COVID. So you can find how fast you can recover from COVID. So these are some cards we have made, and when you hover on these like come up. This is an effect. Okay. Okay. So how active were you today? So I was like active. I was active today. So I selected active. Okay. The answer to this question for me is active. What type of food do you mostly eat? I mostly eat. These days I mostly eat oily food because my my like some occasions are going on, so I have selected oily food. Now we are at what time do you sleep and at what time do you wake up? So I sleep at 11 p.m. to 7 a.m. Okay, so I've selected that. Okay.
And so the last two drop downs are you suffering from any disease? So for this, my answer is no. I am not suffering from any disease. And do you drink or smoke? No, I don't do anything. I'm a kid. I can't do and I don't want to do even.
So like after selecting all the fields, we press on done. Okay, and it says us you are not so healthy. So okay, you are not so healthy. You will most probably recover from COVID in 6 to 7 weeks. So it tells us that in what time will we most probably recover from COVID. Here are some tips to recover faster. So it gives us some tips also. Try to avoid oily food. Once in a month is alright. Instead, have fruits and vegetables and etc. You will feel really fit. Tip: if you don't have your own cow or buffalo, then never ever touch milk. Milk that you buy from the dairy is not pure. That milk is taken out by giving lots of injections to cows and buffaloes. And the cows and buffaloes don't remain healthy. And if they don't remain healthy, then automatically their milk is not healthy. Try to sleep at 9 p.m. or 10 p.m. You will automatically wake up early, and if you wake up early, then your mind becomes sharper. So these are some tips. Like according to the result, like whatever you give, according to that we give tips. So like according to and like yeah, this app is not well suited for phones and tablets. So I forgot to show this to you, but this app is not well suited for phones and tablets. This means that it is not well styled for phones and tablets. It is for laptops and like desktops and all. Okay, so thank you guys. If you like the video, don't forget to smash the like button and share this video with as many people as you can. And if you're not subscribed to our channel yet, that is Iconic Dark and Saran Gupta, do subscribe and share this video with as many people as you can.
So guys, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.
Bye.